now you've got your petrified stuff and you've made some cobblestone, you can actually start to upgrade your tools. You don't need these wooden crooks that keep breaking really easily. You can actually just go here, turn your stone into stone rods, and then make yourself a stone crook. Once you break it a little bit, so you can repair the stone crook with the cobblestone like so. I would also highly recommend making yourself a stone paxel. All you need to do is make yourself a pickaxe, make yourself an axe, and then finally make yourself a shovel like so. And then once you do this, you can put them in the right order and make yourself a stone paxel. This is basically a multi-tool, and then you don't have to keep reverting back and forth towards tools. This also saves you stone, because when you use it and durability goes low, you only need one stone or cobblestone block to repair the whole tool. This has been a Sky Factory 4 tutorial.